Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by placing your instrument in standard tuning EAD-GBE and check with a tuner until the pitch is exact. If the original recording sounds higher, place a capo on the second fret to match that key quickly. Set a metronome to 80 BPM so you can feel the pulse. We use 4 beats per bar in 4/4 time. Practice counting out loud one-with-reefer while strumming slowly to lock tempo before moving to chord shapes and the simple rhythm. The easy method uses a repeating 4-chord progression, G, C, D, M. Play each chord for 1 bar, switching on the downbeat to keep the phrasing clean and consistent. Use common open shapes, G 320,003, CX 32,010, D XX 0232, M 022000, and press cleanly so notes ring. Spend at least 10 minutes practicing the transitions slowly. Aim for smooth changes without pausing the strum hand. Once changes are reliable, increase tempo in 5 BPM steps until you reach 80 BPM with accuracy. When weighing ownership, expect the new RS3 to cost about $0,002, $0,000 more new than comparable older RS3 examples, largely due to upgraded tech and standard equipment. Insurance and maintenance for the new RS3 trend higher because electronic aids, active safety systems, and adaptive components add complexity and replacement cost. For enthusiasts seeking value, used older RS3s can offer similar thrills at lower price, especially if you accept manual-like simplicity and fewer assists. They often depreciate less aggressively once the newest model settles into the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.